Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a recipe cutting board. I made it for a family reunion that I had last week, and I just wanted to make a video out of it so I could show you how I did it. It's a simple Mod Podging. I just had to pick out the color of the background and the right font that I wanted for the recipe. Then I printed them all and cut them out to the right size and added them to the board. It's a pretty simple piece and easy to do for anybody. I hope you like it. By the way, that was my grandmother at the top of the board. She was a pretty amazing lady. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming by.